wanted to touch base on some flowers that are our favorites to grow. And right now, you can start a lot of these indoors or be transplanting them, getting them ready. So, with like mums and pansies and dahlias, they're all really great to get started right now. And at least here in my area, and probably in most areas indoors, just to get a head start on your fall season. And you can plant these out, transplant them out later on. It'll be great. Um, and then I do want to mention roses too. Like you can get those prepped and ready. So if you got like bare root roses or something like that, you can get those ready indoors too. I just wanted to mention a few of those flowers because those are probably our favorite ones that we do for the fall. And these handle the fall temperatures really well and do a lot better than the other ones who are struggling to make it through. So these ones do a lot better with the cold. So if you're looking for some added colors and bringing in some extra beneficial insects to the garden, like butterflies and bees and things like that, these are always great additions to any garden.